Tether Gold is likely to fall 2.8% by March 18, according to coin data flow. Let's open with a quick view of the current market move. Tether Gold has shown a 0.4% rise in the past 24 hours and is hovering near $4,981.60. Let's jump into what analysts project. CoinCodex's data implies a move to $4,993.49 by tomorrow, about 0.3% higher than today. Gov Capital Collector projects Tether Gold to move downward toward $4,971.03, a projected loss close to 0.1%. According to Digital Coin Price, it might push down toward $4,896.95, a potential decrease close to 1.6%. Another outlook from Coin Dataflow highlights Tether Gold may head down to $4,838.62, a decrease close to 2.8%. And to end, Crypto Predictions forecasts $4,707.66 by March 18. That's a fall of 5.4%. This one shows the best potential return. 5 calls are in for tomorrow. Let's go further. Let's now shift from forecast to expected outcomes. After reviewing the forecast spread in full, the price range is estimated between a drop of 5.4% and a rise of 0.3%, depending on the analyst. That means Crypto Predictions is forecasting the highest return with 5.4% gain in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you might see a return of between $1 and $54 for every $1,000 you invest. When we look at the odds, Gov Capital Collector takes the top with a 74.2% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I formed a consensus picture. Consensus trends suggest Tether Gold could move downward by 1.9% toward $4,881.55. Okay, let's break it down. The consensus outcome suggests a 1.9% fall in price. Seen another way, your capital could also expand by 1.9%. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $19 gained. And overall, the chance of this consensus forecast proving accurate is near 53.9%. Right here, let's look at the expected price movement across the next 3 days, according to analysts. The short-term forecast from CoinCodex points to calm conditions, with Tether Gold likely to stay close to where it is now. A stable path is likewise projected by Gov Capital Collector. Digital Coin Price sees Tether Gold on a downward slope. A drop is additionally expected by Coin Dataflow, reinforcing the downside view. Likewise, Crypto Predictions sees Tether Gold trending lower. The consensus view outlines Tether Gold on a declining track over the next 3 days. In total, 80% of projections highlight a bearish outlook for Tether Gold. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Now it's time for a quick review. In the end, the final outcome was $4,972.70. The majority of analysts captured the right trend this time. On the accuracy side, 30 rates had the leading forecast. Let's see the breakdown. Yesterday's trading range included 2 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, a few forecasts turned positive, led by Coin Dataflow with 0.6%. Here's the daily overview. A simple summary of all results. Recorded values for Digital Coin Price, 65% forecast probability, $39.38 accuracy, and 0.2% ROI. See who came closest to reality in this set of results. And now let's see how tomorrow's return expectations differ among Tether Gold and other assets. In tomorrow's ranking, Tether Gold stands at second, with Cardano leading the pack at 3.5%. For now, you can see Tether Gold next to just 4 cryptocurrencies, but a much larger set will be featured on my website soon. Big thanks for staying till the end. If this gave you a clearer view, a like would be the perfect feedback. Catch you tomorrow.